Hi children, today we are going to learn new topic logarithms. These logarithms related to exponentials. What are exponential? 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4, cube root of 343 is equal to 7. Those are all are exponentials. Now suppose example 5 square. What is the 5 square? Square of 5, and 5 is the square root of 5 square. 10 cube represents cube of 3. Cube of 10, sorry. 10 cube represents cube of 10. Means 10 is cube root of 10 cube. Now, suppose 2 to the power of x is equal to 4. Then what is the x value? Then we can write 4 as 2 square. If bases are equal, powers also equal. Then x become 2. Then what is the x? 2. Suppose 3 to the power of y is equal to 81. 3 how many 81 how to write? 3 base 4 times, then 3 to the power of 4, then y is equal to 4. Suppose how you will find out the value of 2 to the power of x 5, 7 to the power of x 10, 3 to the power of x 7. Then how you will find the x? Because here we can't write 5 as a base 2. What are the x value? Here means what is the power of 2 raised to get 5? What is the value power of 7 to get 10? What should be the power to which 3 to raised to get 7? What are the values of x? For this relation, to find this relation x to 5, x to 10 and x and 7, we need some new relation. That new relation is called logarithm. Suppose, now assume y is equal to 2 to the power of x. Suppose if you substitute x1, you will get 2. If you substitute 2, you will get 4. If you substitute 3, you will get 8. Then 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. Means the power should be between 2 and 3. It must be between 2 square and 2 cube. The 5 value must be in the middle between 2 square and 2 cube. Because 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8. 5 is between 4 and 8. Then the x lies between 2 and 3. Now, how to write in logarithm? Then 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. X is defined as logarithm of 5 base 2. Symbolically, log 5 base 2 is equal to x. How to write? Log 5 base 2 is equal to x. Generally, sometimes they won't give the base. Then we have to assume base as 10. Now, in general, a is greater than 0 and not equal to 1. N greater than 0 and an are real numbers, then a to the power of x is equal to n. This is called exponential form. A to the power of x is equal to n. Then how to write in logarithm form? X is equal to log n base a. What is the general form of log? A to the power of x is equal to n, that is exponential form. Then how to write in logarithm form? X is equal to log n base a. Then here, now 2 square value we know 4, 2 cube value 8, but 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. We can't write 5 as a base. Then for that we need new relation, that is called logarithm. Then how to read that? 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. This is exponential form. Then how to write in logarithm? X is defined as logarithm of 5 base 2. Now symbolically log 5 base 2 is equal to x. Now here a and n are, a to the power of x is equal to n, then x is equal to log n base a. A and n are real numbers.